Hi everyone, welcome back to our China travel. In this video, we just arrived in Changsha, the capital of Hunan province by high-speed train. We'll be spending 2 nights in the heart of Huangxing Road walking street, and we'll be visiting the iconic Mr. Mao Zedong on Orange Island. Let's join us and continue our 20-day adventure through China to Changsha and see the famous Avatar Mountain. Then we head to Furong Town and Feihuang Ancient Town, and also walk the tallest and longest glass bridge in the world, and the famous Tianmen Mountain in Changsha. Then in Chongqing, where we eat lots of spicy hot pots, and finally Chengdu, home of the pandas, on our last stop. We are filled with excitement and a whole lot more to discover. Let's go! We stayed 2 nights at the Dolanda M Hotel, perfectly located in the central Huangxing pedestrian street. They offer free evening dessert, laundry service, and breakfast. Changsha is a bustling town, and there were many eateries everywhere. Every mall we visited, they are spotless clean. On the 6th floor inside the giant IFS shopping center, we decided to dine in this organic restaurant called Black Jasmine. The services were okay, and the portion of each dishes were very good. And of course, there's always more delicious food to discover around every corner. Our energy carries us to continue with more shopping. The streets of Changsha are alive, and we're loving the energy and colorful moments everywhere we go.
晨曦像草原广阔，层层风雨不能阻隔。总有云开日出时候，万丈阳光照亮你我。晨曦像梅花开过，冷冷冰雪不能淹 醉了，枝头绽放，看见春天走向你我。雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。一件很美丽雪中，只为一人飘香。爱我所爱，无怨无悔，此情长留。
This is the Huangxing Road. It is just located next to the metro station to your right. Tonight marks the end of day 6 in Changsha. We've got 3 must-do on our list. First, try the famous black stinky tofu, then continue more shopping, and tomorrow, visit the young Mao Zedong statue on Orange Island. We're ending the night with a walk through the busy streets, ready to get some rest for another exciting day ahead. For breakfast, we ate at a cozy spot next to our hotel. The kitchen was bustling and the long lines started forming when we arrived. To our surprise, the broth was flavorful and the noodle had a perfect bouncy texture. We tried their signature Changsha noodles and of course, the famous black stinky tofu. The best part is the entire meal came under $13 US. Have arrived at the Orange Island, ready to explore Changsha's iconic landmark and see Mr. Mao Zedong's statue. The weather outside is near 100 degrees and extremely humid. We booked our entrance slot 3 days in advance for a late morning visit. And the best part is, admission is free.
Alright, where you at? Oh, Mao Zedong.
After the long walk at Orange Island, the heat got the best of us. So we cool off with some refreshing drinks before heading to lunch. We order half coconut iced coffee and half lychee blended fruit drink. We then try out Hifu noodles in the same shopping mall. This is a chain restaurant where you'll see them everywhere in China. We ordered 4 dishes, just the perfect balance of flavor and prices. Experiences like these are exactly why we love traveling in China. Next on our checklist, major shopping on Huangxing pedestrian street. Changsha did not disappoint. We spent about 2 hours here and there were so many bargains that we can't pass up. Jody and Chris definitely gave their wallets a workout. This street is always so busy, just like Nanjing Road in Shanghai. You never get bored. Just look at the foods everywhere. You'll feel hungry all the time and wants to continue eating some more. I think I already gained several pounds in this town already. This is our last night in Changsha, and we were in the mood for Thai food. So we will head back to the IFS shopping mall and try a spot that caught our eye, called Thai Food Show on the 5th floor.
Don't even try, honey.
I am coming
Every dish were full of flavor, some were a bit more spicier, and we absolutely love it. Like we said, there's always room for dessert. We stopped by Meat Fresh and honestly, it tastes even better than LA. And the bowl was even bigger too. We are feeling a bit sad to be leaving Changsha tomorrow. So we are cherishing every moment and making the most of our final memories here. Up ahead, we will spot a bright gold jewelry shop. And of course, Jason couldn't resist a quick game of rock, paper, and scissors to win a prize. It is the cutest yellow little chick hair clip for Jody. Can you guess who won?
你笑得越无邪，我就会爱你爱得更狂野。总在刹那间有一些了解，说过的话不可能会实现。就在一转眼，发现你的脸已经陌生，不会再像从前。
Our next stop will be Changsha, where we will brave ourselves hiking up the Heaven's Gate on Tianmen Mountain, walk across the world's longest and tallest glass bridge, and explore two beautiful ancient towns. So we will see you again soon.
等着迎接伤悲。想要给你的思念，就像风筝断了线，飞不进你的世界，也温暖不了你的视线。